Hello everyone, I welcome you in this video lecture, and in this video lecture we will learn that how to determine determinant of a matrix. Now firstly we shall see that determinant of a matrix, say A is a matrix and say it is 1 2 2 1 2 by 2 order matrix. So matrix symbol is within the square braces and determinant symbol is within the vertical lines. So this means determinant of A. So within the vertical lines. So this is the symbol of determinant. Fine. So if we have to find the determinant of A, so what we will be writing? We will be writing A within the vertical lines, and the matrix, it is exactly vertical. This is vertical and the matrix elements 2 1. Fine. So this will give the determinant of matrix A, and it is denoted by symbol A within the vertical lines. Now from here we move downward, and from here we move upward, and we know that it takes no efforts to move from up to down. So there will be positive sign, so element will be multiplied with each other 1 into 1, and when you move up it takes lot of efforts to move up. So here you will mark negative sign and 2 into 2. So you know this is 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So therefore this is therefore symbol A determinant is equal to minus 3. Fine. So similarly you can determine determinant of other 2 by 2 order matrix. Within the square braces it is matrix. Now we have to find its determinant. Okay, let's do it again. It will be within the vertical lines, elements 1 6 7 2. So from up to down and down to up, what it will be? From up to down sign will be positive 1 into 2, and from down to up sign will be negative 7 into 6. So this will be 2 minus 42 is equal to minus 40. Fine. So this is determinant of A. Similarly we can determine the determinant of order 3. So we will see next that how to determine the determinant of a matrix of order 3. So let us take an example. Now we will take a 3 by 3 order matrix, and we have taken for example this matrix 1 2 3 1 1 2 1 1 3. So this is 3 by 3 order matrix, and we have to find its determinant. We can expand it along any of the row, and for the reference, because we will be needing the signs, so for a reference you can also write the sign matrix, that is starting with plus, then alternate minus, alternate plus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus. Here is plus, minus, a plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus, plus. So this is sign table. So this will be the reference for signs. Now we can expand it along any of the row or column. So let us expand it from along row. Okay, firstly write in the determinant form. A determinant is equal to 1 2 3 1 1 2 1 1 3, and write in the determinant form. Now this determinant can be extended along any of the row and column. So take this row, row number 1. Okay, expanding along row 1. So first what you will do, you will just leave, take the element that is 1, okay, and leave first row and first column, and write the other element as such. Leave first row, first column, other elements are 1 2 1 3, 1 2 1 3, and write them in the determinant form. Fine. Now this 2 element, to come to the 2, its row is this one, column is this one, so leave these two, this and this. What will left with 1 2 1 3, 1 2 1 3. Write the element is 2 multiplied, and sign, pick the sign. For this position sign is minus, and for this position sign is plus. Fine. Now next along 3, sign is plus, element as such. Now leave first row and third column. So which element we are left with? 1 1 1 1, 1 1 1 1. So now from 3 by 3 order determinant we are reduced to 2 by 2 order. This is 2 by 2 order determinant, this is 2 by 2 order determinant, 2 by 2 order determinant. So from 3 by 3 to 2 by 2. So now its solution is, we know, you go from here, you go upward, you go downward, you go upward, you go downward, you go upward. Fine. So this will be 1 into, and once again when you go down it takes no efforts, so 1 into 3 as such. But when you go up from left to right, you go up 1 into 2, and sign will be negative because it takes efforts. So 1 into 3, 1 into 2, but when you go up it take effort, so it's negative sign, plus 3, 1 into 1, and again 1 into 1, and go up minus sign. So this will be 1, and this will be 3 minus 2 minus 2, this will be 3 minus 2, and this will be 3 1 minus 1. 3 minus 2 you know is 1, minus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0. This will be 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, A determinant is nothing but equal to minus 1. Okay, so A determinant is minus 1. We can also find the value of the determinant by expanding it along any other row or any other column. So you can try it. So I will expand it also along the column number 1, and we'll see what we get, whether the result is again minus 1 or not. So I am going to remove this from here and expanding it along column number 1. Now see along column number 1. So what we have, for this element write 1. Now this element falls in row number 1 and column number, leave these two, row 1 and column 1, write the remaining element 1 2 1 3 within the vertical line, means 2 by 2 order determinant. And here is, for this position it is a plus sign, so if you want you can mark it as plus. For 1, now write one element as such, leave its row is second row, and column is column number 1, 2 3 1 3, 2 3 1 3, and for this sign is minus. Fine. Now for this element 1, leave this row and this column, so what we are left with 2 3 1 2. Fine. And this is plus sign. Fine. Now we'll mark again the lines from up to down, down to up, from up to down, down to up, from up to down, down to up. It will be 1 and 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 1, 2 into 2, 4, when you go up sign is minus 4 minus 3, this will be 1 minus 1, this will be 3 and plus 1, it will be 1 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, once again determinant of A is equal to minus 1. So if you expand the determinant along any of the row or any of the column and keeping these sign in mind, the result will be same. So that we have studied how to solve 2 by 2 order and 3 by 3 order determinant. And always remember, some student what they do, they want to write the determinant, but instead of determinant they write something like that, 1 2 2 1. This is not determinant. I will mark it as a red sign. This is not a determinant, it is a matrix of order 2 by 2, but actually they want to write here determinant. So instead of this they should be writing A determinant within the vertical lines. Write the same element. So within the vertical line it will become determinant. But if you will write them within the square braces, it will become matrix. So if question is of determinant and you will write the square braces, so that will be wrong. So you must give importance and you must give attention over here that it is determinant and it is a matrix. So I hope that in this lecture you will be able to understand how to determine the 2 by 2 order determinant and 3 by 3 order determinant. So that's all I have from this lecture, and very soon I will be with you with my next video lecture. Till then, take care, bye bye, and see you soon. Thank you very much.